Good day, everyone. Hope you have a lovely day. And it's Monday. So on Monday we have this laptop. This is coming from another computer repair shop. And yeah, we have a special message from another technician. What he wants us to do is to put the diagnosis of this laptop and tell him that is the fault. That's all you have to do. Because it's the person who brings this laptop is a technician from another computer shop who is also fixing laptops. So all what you need to do is to put the diagnosis. We tell him that is the problem, and you do his job on his own. Okay? So let's get started. What do we have here? We have a HP laptop. This is HP ProBook 450 G5. The laptop came in as no power, not turning on, not doing anything, no sign of life. The next step is to connect the power supply and see what's going on here. So we have to connect the power supply. It's set on 3.4 amps, which is okay. So you can see here, it's taking 60 milliamps. That is standby current. And obviously, we don't have charging lights. Okay. So what can be fault here? Pressing the power. No change of current. I can hear the switch is clicking, but the current is not changing. Okay. So let's get inside quickly. I just finished taking out all the screws. So how do we get inside this? Which one is supposed to come out? The back cover or something else? The back cover seems to be coming out. Or the top one. Yeah, just some clips. Oh, that's the motherboard. We have a nice motherboard here. Oh, what? And the laptop is on. So what's the story here? Yeah, this is some kind of disappointment. The laptop just came on. So why? What was the problem? It is on. And I don't even know what was the problem. Let's plug in the power supply again. Check the change in current. It's taking 600. 638 milliamps, and we have the orange charging light. So what was the problem? Oh, like really? This is some kind of miracle jobs. These are some kind of miracles. We did nothing, the laptop is now on. So what was preventing this laptop from charging or from doing anything? Huh? I don't even know. Off. On. The laptop is coming on. But I have a question with no answer. Okay. The motherboard looks fine. No sign of water damage, no anything. Everything looks fine here. We have a Novatone E.C chip. Do you have the nice battery? Some power supplies, they are on the other side of the board. And the laptop is staying on. What I want to do, I don't want to waste time. I want to power off the laptop. I want to power off the laptop. So I'm connecting the switch cable. Let's power off the laptop off. It is off. So let's try to put back everything. Because surely I don't even know what was the problem here. But from what I've seen, this cable for the switch was not properly inserted. So I think that was the cause. That's what I think. Because honestly, I don't know why this laptop was not turning on. But if it was the switch, there was supposed to be a charging light. So it's some kind of trick here. When you fix something but you don't know what was the problem. Actually, the laptop did not come for fix. It came for putting the right diagnosis and tell the customer that is your fault. And then now it's fixed. It's fixed. No explanation to the customer what was fault. I want to put all cables together. Maybe it's the keyboard which was preventing the laptop from turning on. Maybe it is the keyboard. Maybe it's the keyboard. Maybe it's the keyboard. So I want to plug in the keyboard. I also want to plug the hard drive. Seagate 500 gig. Oh, this is some kind of miracle. When the laptop start working, why? Because is it because it's Monday? And you know, on Monday, no one want to do the job on a Monday. Everyone is some kind of lazy. That's what I think. Simply because of it's Monday. And that's the lucky case. That's the lucky case when something is fixed without any explanation. On. It is the laptop is coming on. Huh? It is loading Windows. That's crazy. What about charging? It's taking 490, 600, and 1.3 amps, 1.4 amps, 1.6, 1.8 amps. And it is charging. Everything is looking fine here. 1.9 amps. That kind of current, it tells us that even the battery is okay. The charging circuit is okay. So yeah, sometimes happens. We open a device, it came in, not working. You open, you do nothing. All of a sudden, the device is working. And I feel very bad to charge customer on such kind of jobs. Because I've done nothing, I lose nothing. Except a little bit of time. I can check on OBS, around 12 minutes. Huh? Still loading Windows. Still loading Windows. There's user password here. But you can see the keyboard is responding. The touchpad is responding. So it's taking around the 1.8, 1.9, 1.8, 1.9 amps. It's charging fine. So yeah, what you can do with such kind of things. Came in as no power. I opened the next thing, the device just started by its own. But what I believe was the problem, I think the cable for the switch wasn't properly connected, but there was supposed to be light. Because we tested before, it was taking like 6 milliamps. There was no charging light. Huh? So like, subscribe, don't forget to turn on the notification bell. You know what? Let me try to look for a proper job. See you on the next one. Bye.